It's powerful.
Hi everybody, it's Becky and
Jessie
and
Cami.
Awesome. All right, so what we're doing today is we are getting out our kids kit. My kids have already tried it once, but it's been a few days because I was putting it away to show my customers about the new kids kit. So are you excited to try this?
Yeah!
Again? All right, cool. Let's not yell though, okay? We don't want to break their eardrums.
Yeah.
All right, so this is Rescuer. You guys see there's this body on there?
Yeah, it rescues you.
Yeah, so when do you think you might use it? What do you need to be rescued from?
What if you're falling down a cliff?
Oh, falling down a cliff, I hope you don't do that unless it's only 2 inches long or tall. Okay, so here we go. So do either of you have an owie? No.
Not really.
I'm glad.
Not the closest is my back sometimes hurts.
Do you want me to put it on your back?
Sure.
All right, let's put it on and see how your back is doing. I wonder if you've been sleeping in a strange position at night.
I usually sleep in a strange position in my view.
Yeah, you do?
Yeah.
So you could use it like, let's say you're riding your bike and you stub your toe because you just had to ride it without shoes on, which isn't a good idea. You could use it for that, or you scrape your knee. What do you have there, Cami? Ooh, this one's brave. You guys know what's coming up in church pretty soon?
General conference?
Yeah, but there's a primary program where you guys are getting up in front of the entire congregation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know what this would be good for? It'd be good for helping you feel brave when you're getting up there to sing and give your part in front of everybody. Okay. So here.
Let me smell it.
Yeah, you can put it on your forehead to help you feel brave.
And this is the newest oil.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah. And
You can put it on your heart. You want to put it on your heart?
Yeah. This is my head?
Right over here, yep. Right in that area. Cool. Do you like putting it on your heart?
Yes, yeah. It tickles.
It tickles. That's good.
Yeah.
All right. This one is for stronger. Do you know what's happening right now?
What?
A lot of people are starting to spend more time indoors, like at school and the grocery store and libraries and stuff. And guess what happens when people spend more time together?
What?
Sometimes somebody will get some germs and they'll share them with you. Do you want those germs to affect the way you feel?
No.
No. So you can protect yourself. So I like to protect myself by putting this on the back of my neck.
I like putting it near my neck and on my neck.
Yeah, and I sometimes like to put it on my forehead too. You want to put some on?
Like this.
Oh yeah, that helps there too. Cool.
Cool.
Do you want to try some, Cami?
Sure.
Do you want me to help you with your neck while you hold your hair up?
A.
There you go.
B. C. D. E. F. D.
Oh, you're talking about schoolwork? Well, guess what? This one is supposed to help you with schoolwork.
Yeah.
It's called Thinker.
Yeah.
Your brothers are upstairs reading The Student Whisperer. We should let them use this to help them remember what they learn.
Yeah.
Here, you want to try it? Well, I would probably put it right here.
Okay.
Not in your eyes. Do we ever put oils in our eyes?
Mm.
No, that wouldn't be a good idea. I'm going to put some on mine too. Oh, yeah. This smells good. Let's hear, what does this one have in it that makes it so I like it so much? Let's see here. It has fractionated coconut oil and vetiver. I love vetiver.
Vetiver!
And clementine and peppermint and rosemary. I love peppermint and citrus oils. Yummy, yummy.
I love the two last things what Mommy said.
Yeah?
I
You
like
love the
citrus.
peppermint and the clementine?
Yeah, it feels good.
Me
I
too.
never heard of clementine.
Clementine is kind of an orange. It's kind of like an orange.
I like citrus.
It's kind of like those little cuties that you like to get. Kind of like those, but not quite.
I like
This
citrus.
You like citrus oils?
Yeah.
Yeah, your favorite food to eat too is citrus, right?
Yeah.
Well, this one here is steady. A lot of people use balance as a grounding blend,
Oh, that
but
one
kids
is
might
good.
like this one, a steady blend.
Steady!
Or grounding blend, okay? Steady is a grounding blend. Cool.
I want to see what happens as I put it on here.
Okay, you want to put it right here on your wrist?
There we go.
Sweet.
See what happens.
Do you like the bright colors on these?
Yeah.
Yeah, they can help you remember which one's which, right?
Yeah.
Let's see here. What do you have there, Cami? Ooh, this one is called Calmer. I don't think we should put this on right now because it's lunchtime and it's not time to go to sleep, is it?
Nope.
It's a restful blend.
Yeah, last time I put it on, I felt super sleepy the whole entire night.
Yeah, I think we should wait to try that one. So what do you have here, Cambria? Can you show everyone?
that shows you about these oils.
So does it help you figure out which one to use and when?
Yeah. Yay! Right now I'm just pretty much flipping through the pages. That way, the one way I like calling my
What?
mom.
Ooh, do you like the blue rescuer one?
The color looks nice. I really like
Can't
my mom.
remember which
So
one
alcohol.
I like the smell of the most. Can't remember.
Mom. That's my song called Mom.
Well, cool.
I found the bright orange one.
Mom.
You like the bright orange one? That one's the brave one.
Mom.
Yeah.
Okay, Jessie, which one do you like the most?
Which color?
Wait, you're missing?
No, I'm not missing any. Which one do you like the most? Can you show everybody?
I like the one when I. Let me think. What
Let's hear. This one is the soothing blend for when you need to be rescued. And then here we have the steady blend to help you feel grounded. And this one is the brave blend to help you have courage. And this one is a stronger blend. It helps protect you when you go places. And this one is the thinker blend. It helps you when you're doing schoolwork. And this one's the calmer blend. It helps you when you're ready to go to sleep.
I think you should start putting that on.
The calmer one.
I have 3 favorites.
Okay, show me what your 3 favorites are, Jessie.
What are these for again?
This one is for protecting you when you go out places.
Yep.
You like that one?
Like it. So there's one left.
Okay, so do you want the soothing blend for like when you need to be rescued after you get an owie? The grounding blend or the brave blend so that like when you need more courage?
The brave blend.
I
That's the
think
one?
purple's probably my favorite.
Yeah, so you can sleep well at night?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh, really what I like.
Okay,
So-
I'm gonna put them.
Cool. So what we have here is we have this cool case. It has
Jessie, please toss me them.
right here some little places to put them so you can put them in these little loops. And up at the top, if you don't want to keep the colorful lids on for some reason, you could put them up there, or you could put some other treasures inside there. And then you can attach it to your kid's backpack like this. Or you can put just the oil that they want to take. So let's say Jesse wanted this green steady blend. He could attach it to his backpack and take it with him.
I want to show you one of my coolest video games.
We're not going to talk about video games. This is a video about essential oils.
Yeah.
We don't do video games and essential oil videos.
So next video is going to be about video games.
Yeah, I'm not sure I'm going to make one of those, okay? Well, anyway, guys, I hope you have a fabulous day. And Cami, thank you for putting the oils away.
I'm doing it
And
in
then
order.
Oh, you're doing it in order so that you can find them faster? Well, we'll put these out so you guys can use them from now on, okay?
Okay.
All right, everybody. Goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye, Cami.
Bye. 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 Bye.